Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and welcome back to another new exciting video. And in today's video we have got Canon EOS 700D DSLR camera. It is 18 megapixel camera with autofocus function, hybrid autofocus function. And at the other side of box you got some specs in different languages and you can read them for better experience. And at the back of the box here are also some specifications and requirements of this Canon EOS 700D, and there is nothing else written on the box. So let's take the tape off and open the box. At the top you got your micro SD card, and at the second here is strap for your DSLR camera. At the third here it is the battery of your camera. Then there is battery charger, battery charging cable. This is lens. This is data cable for transferring your data from camera to PC or laptop. And here is our main unit. This is the main camera body, and then it is manual guide. Make sure to read it. At last here are two discs. One is for software instruction and other one is for guidelines. So let's check out all the contents. Let's open this micro SD card box and take the micro SD card out from the box. This is our micro SD card with battery. Let me show you that how to insert into charger. In this way you will insert your battery into battery charger to charge your battery. This is battery charger cable. This is strap, and this is the camera body. It's look very nice, and the build quality of this camera was very good. This is 2 inches LCD. Here are the mode buttons. You can see this is on off button. You can change your modes. This is ISO button. This is photo capture button. Zoom in and zoom out button. Video recording button. And all other buttons. You can check out them. And this is delete, and that is video playback button. And at bottom of the camera here is battery portion. Let me insert the battery into the camera. Make sure to insert it correctly into the camera. Okay, let's turn on the camera. As you can see, it is saying that no card in camera. And first of all, let me insert micro SD card into this card slot. This is our micro SD card. In this way you will insert your micro SD card into the card slot. Let's turn on the camera. Piece. Move this cover out from the front of camera. And now it's time to insert the lens. It is 55mm lens, 18 to 55 mm lens. Now you can see that the lens has been inserted and mounted. Now let's check out the internal functions of camera. And it is mic port. Here you can see you can plug your mic directly into that camera by using this AUX port, and this is HDMI port. Let me show you that how to insert that cable into this port. Here are some sample shots that I have taken recently